Waste away the time, waste away those thoughts, waste away these years instead of giving it a shot. You may never get to know what lies ahead. Stop with the postponement, now's the time to soar. When it's all said and done, will you wonder what you live for? Can we feel regret once we are dead and gone? No use to be afraid of leaving the trusted grange. It's a common thing, it's just as seasons change. Live your life to the fullest and don't leave any doubt in mind. The people who are doubting one day will be proven wrong. The satisfaction after being indecisive for so long. 'Cause in the end, we construct our own design. What is worse is it having to acknowledge eventual defeat? Or is it much worse to suffer